It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's up guys, welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today we're going to be upgrading the fog lights in this 5th gen 4Runner. This is the same for any model. This is a TRD Pro, but it works for the SR5, off-roads, etc. All we need is a 10mm socket. You don't have to use a drill, IM, because it's quicker. You probably want a good set of gloves, and then of course the fog lights, which I'll put in the description off of Amazon. You can have them in 2 days and they're really cheap. So step one is going to be to remove the two 10mm that you can see here, and then we're going to pull this liner back. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. This is on the driver's side, by the way. Once you get your gloves on, you're going to want to pull this liner in front of your bumper. Like that. Just kind of pull it out of the way. Alright guys, there's the bulb. I just disconnected the wire because it's kind of required to take it out. But typically when you look in here, it's going to be twisted to the right. You're going to move it to the left like you see me have it here. Move it this way and pull it out. And just leave that wire in there. Alright, so now that we have it out, my recommendation to you is going to be to swap this red piece onto your new bulb. This is an OEM seal, and it's going to seal better than the one that comes in the kit that I recommend. So let's move this piece to the new one. Just keep it in the same direction. It's kind of smaller at the bottom and bigger at the top. Let's do that now. Alright, so here's our new bulb. See how this one's just much larger? We just want to carefully remove this, try not to touch the bulb. Put it down. We're going to take our old one off without touching the bulb because these are still good. They still work. Leaving it the same direction, we're going to put it way down at the bottom like so. Just like that. From here, we're going to insert our bulb in and twist it to the right, grab our wire, and reconnect it. Then I'm going to test to see if it worked before we reinstall the fender well. Everything's in good working order, and you can really see the brightness difference in comparison to the stock halogen bulb on the left. Alright, let's get it buttoned back up. Same process as we took it off, just put those two 10mm back. We're going to move to the passenger side. It's a little bit different. Alright guys, here we are on the passenger side. I removed those same two. And I think because there's this shroud, I'm not sure if you can see that in there. There's a big shroud in the way. What we're actually going to do is remove these bottom two that you can see here as well. It's still a 10mm. And we can actually fit the drill here, so there's one. There's two. And that should allow us to get access. Yeah. Perfect access to the fog light. Alright, let's keep going. So with all 4 of those bolts taken out, I was able to get it pretty easily. I'm just taking off this red piece, keeping it facing the same. Grabbing my new bulb and protecting my old since it's still good. Removing this red piece, keeping it for later, I guess, probably throwing it away. And then just carefully and using patience putting this on. Sorry, the camera moved. So I was able to get the bulb back in pretty easily with that shroud off. Not really off, but those 4 bolts, and moving the fender liner out of the way. And I'm testing it before buttoning it back up. I won't bore you with showing that. It's pretty easy. Just put it right back just like we did on the other side. There we have it, the 5th gen with LED headlights as well as fog lights. This was a subscriber request from Thang. Appreciate you guys keeping me posted with what you want to see. Hope this was easy. It certainly was for me. And we'll add some nighttime footage to this before I post it. So looking forward to seeing what these do coupled with the LED headlights I just did last week. Appreciate it, guys. Be good. Thanks for watching. Alright, it's nighttime. Let's test these things out. So real quick, I'm going to also put a link to the LED headlights that I used. They're even easier. There's just a gray cap that holds the headlight in. You put the new bulb in, switch out the little red seal like I showed you to do today, and pretty much you're good to go. It's super easy. I can do a video. Comment if you want to see that one. But anyway, here's the LED headlights. Perfect cutoff. I'm showing you on the garage first, then we'll take it on a country road. And when we hit the fogs, we get a little extra. It looks way better in person. This windshield's tinted too, so it's a little bit darker than probably the average 4Runner. All right, let's take it on the road and see what these guys do. I'm going to turn the fogs off for now. There's the cutoff from like 40 feet back. Fogs on. All right, let's get on the road. All right, guys, here we go. Just the headlights. The brights are still halogens. That's brights on. Hardly does anything. Turn those off. We don't need them. Let's turn the fogs on. Oh yeah. Let me do that again so you can see the side coverage that it gives. Much better in person, but I'm sure any of you guys with stock 4Runner lighting, you can see the advantage of this already. So there's the high beams and the LED low beams. Here's the LED low beams with the LED fogs. We've got really good vision of everything. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Links in the description to buy this stuff. Easy install as you saw. Good luck, and be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks a lot.